Yeah, ayy, come fuck with a boss. They watching me floss and baby, I'm straight out the water. Ready for life, no I'm proud, they was born.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna have to shout because there's a lot of music around. But we are here, as you'll probably see from the title, for my Performante collection. Now I know this has been delayed because the car's been sitting here for a little bit, but finally there's a massive meet here in London that HRO have organised, which is of course the dealer that I bought the car from and my Aventador Estes from. So what we're going to do is, there's a lot of people here. In a little bit we're going to pull the covers off. There it is behind me. I have not seen it. This is going to be the first time that I will see the car, so I'm super excited from speccing it like a year ago now. But loads of crazy cars here, so before we take the covers off, let's check out this side of Lamborghini. The Urus is here as well, and then through there on that side you've got tons of Bugattis. So we'll check that out first and we'll come back and pull the covers off.
Yeah, ayy, come fuck with a boss. They watching me floss and baby, I'm straight out the water. Ready for life, no I'm proud, they was born in the 90s. You know that I keep it 100. Don't try to front on me, shawty, like yeah, I got money, go run and tear that to your mom. No, I ain't trying to be funny, cause I work real hard for this shit. It's because of my clad lunch, black dick, all black outfit, I need that bag. Frito light, we in the lab, trying clips. So hold my shit, turn them speakers up and fucking neighbors. Holy shit, I turn that emo bitch into an angel. Ayy, loving my life.
Okay, so the Lamborghini side is on that side, and we've come in here to the Bugatti section, which is a little bit crazy because you've literally got Bugattis on Bugattis, and another one, and then there's other ones covered there, which I'm assuming are customers who didn't want them on show. So this is like the Rolls Royce and Bugatti section. They've got a really cool Rolls Royce at the back. But let's walk through a little bit. So first here, we've got like a two-tone kind of blue Bugatti with, again, I don't know what's below because that's covered. This is really nice, full like yellow interior and black as well. That would be my kind of spec. You never see the cars at this height, you always see them so low, so it's interesting to see them at this level. More Bugattis there, 3 of them over there. Red one, two-tone with like a tan interior. We'll get close up, so don't worry, my face will get out of the way. And then over here, we've got a BAC mono. So you guys don't know, Ollie Webb, good friend, all the test driving and stuff with BAC mono. Really cool cars. I actually went in this car at Silverstone, I was driving it. So if you check up there on that side, I'll leave the link to the video there. Click that and watch that because that was pretty cool. And then more Rolls Royces all on this side, which we'll try and check out. But it's pretty cool. It's super busy here, so it's really difficult to film because I look like an idiot. But let's walk around, check out the Urus, and then let's lift off the covers.
I'm living my life, loving my life. You see it all in my eyes, you looking, you turning the ice. Please don't miss this shit, boy. If you look, you might go blind. Ay, only time to tell, but only time you can't rewind, nigga. Boy, they got me started. 1-800 ballin' on these niggas, bitch, I'm on it. 1-800 ballin' on these niggas, boy, I'm rollin'. 1-800 ballin' on these niggas if you callin'. 1-800, ay, boy, they got me started. 1-800 ballin' on these niggas, bitch, I'm on it.
Okay, so we're outside. This is like the car park. It's a lot of customers of HRO and also just kind of friends of the brand and stuff who bought their cars here. So there's a ton of stuff. Honestly, you don't want to hear me talking through it because there's cool things like this crazy 488 Spider, cool wheels on this car. Yanni's car's over there, of course. You guys know Yanni's, and there's some loud TVRs here, as well as a ton of other stuff. Aston Martins, Rolls Royces, everything. It is a really good day out, and luckily it's not raining as well. But I think it's time to take the covers off of my new car. Should we do it?
Yeah,
let's do it.
It's about time.
Let's go.
These niggas, bitch, I'm on it. 1-800 ballin' on these niggas, bitch, I'm rollin'. 1-800 ballin' on these niggas if you callin'. 1-800 ballin' on these niggas, steady talking hard noise. I don't feel like hearing it. Had to grab that arch, boy, I'm in there with them scaring it. She say you a dog, boy, what you mean? I'm curious. I ain't mean to break your heart, little bitch, I'm serious. Make my money long, God, you still with that Honda like that bitch was a Mazda. I'm a fucking.
Okay guys, it's time to finally unveil the car. Like I said, I've been waiting for this car for like a year now. Yeah, I'm super excited. I don't think many people know what the color is, especially you guys don't know as well. So it is time. Should we take the covers off? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Ready?
Yeah, ayy, come fuck with a boss. They watching me floss and baby, I'm straight out the water. Ready for life, no I'm proud, they was born in the 90s. You know that I keep it 100. Don't try to front on me, shawty, like yeah, I got money, go run and tear that to your mom. No, I ain't tryna be funny, cause I work real hard for this shit. It's because of my clad lunch, black dick, all black outfit, I need that bag. Frito light, we in the on my shit, turn them speakers up and fucking neighbors. Holy shit, I turn that emo bitch into an angel. Ayy, loving my life, you cannot live your life twice, so fuck it, I'm living my life, loving my life. You see it all in my eyes, you lucky you turning to ice. Please don't miss this shit, boy, if you look, you might go blind. Ayy, only time to tell.
First impressions is the color is so loud. For you who follow me will know that I've only ever had black cars. I do wrap them sometimes different colors, but this is the first time that I've ordered a car that is not black, and it looks amazing. I wish I could show you how much the paint pops, but we'll do that all. It looks amazing. Go around the back, this is the favorite part of the car. Check this out, the carbon wing, carbon rear. And cool is the gold engine, which they all have, the Huracan Performante as well. Okay, enough of my ugly face and let's see the car properly.
Right, so that's your Aventador one.
Okay.
And that is this one here.
Oh, this one's here. So this is that you get with every single car. I'll grab that one as well, Alan. I'll take it out as well. They give you with every single car a model of what, exact spec of what your car is. And my Aventador one was slightly wrong, so we've got the replacement now. But I'm going to try and open this. Blue will speed this up, but let's open this and see what's inside.
You can't rewind, nigga. Boy, they got me started.
It's from the other side. Nice. So nice. I did not plan this, obviously. HRO had obviously organised. This is
all my fault.
He's the one who organised the event. Obviously, I did not organise it, but thank you. It's a cool way to do a collection, to be honest. Nice to share it. Well, let's check that one out first. That is really cool. That is a nice little touch. So I'm gonna drop it. Check that out. Baby version of the car. Nice way when you get a new Lamborghini, and it's the exact specification of it as well, which is amazing. So even down to the interior as well. Yeah, that there as well. That's kind of cool. It's like an exact spec, even with the carbon and everything. Damn, that is cool. Check that out. Exact spec. Madness.
If you call it 1-800, ayy, boy, they got me started. 1-800, ballin' on these niggas, bitch, I'm on it. 1-800, ballin' on these niggas, bitch, I'm rollin'. 1-800, ballin' on these niggas, if you call it 1-800, ballin' on these niggas. Steady talking hard noise, I don't feel like hearing it. Had to grab that arch, boy, I'm in there with them scaring it. She say you a dog.
So, sitting in the Performante, finally, it has been a really, really long wait, but I am so pleased with the spec. We are going to show you all of the details, don't worry, in a proper video, a full overview of the car, but just buzzing, honestly. You didn't think it gets better than when you have an Aventador, but this thing is something special about it, and I've been in passenger rides, but I've said that I did not want to drive this car until I get mine, and finally it is here, and that is going to be the first time that I drive it. So it's a little bit busy here, so I'm probably going to drive it out right now. I might pick it up maybe tomorrow or something, but I'm not going to be able to sleep because this is pretty special. Right, I'm going to have a little moment in the car to myself, and we'll start the video. Okay guys, that is it for collection day, but I can't keep staring at it, so I just can't stop looking at the car. It's amazing. Anyway, so you're going to see a lot more of this car. There are some very, very interesting things planned with it, which are kind of almost being confirmed right now, so please stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you like this video as well. And also a couple of other potential red looking cars as well with Ferraris. So if the video hasn't been up yet, then it will be coming up. If it is up, it's going to be up there in the corner. But I do talk about 2 Ferraris that are on order. And then there's also another Italian collection day coming, hopefully this week. I can't keep up. I'm just going to go sit in the car for a little bit now, chill and enjoy it. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember, please subscribe, like, do all the other bits, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Niggas, bitch, I'm on it. 1-800, ballin' on these niggas, boy, I'm rollin'. 1-800, ballin' on these niggas.